Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Litheli Cordless Lawn Mower 13-inch version. This is the U20 Handy Plus. We have a 20-volt electric lawn mower here for our garden, yard and farm. 5 height adjustments are possible and it's lightweight. 4 ampere hour portable battery is included. Of course, it is recommended if you like to continue after 30 minutes of work time. You can additional buy your another battery, for example. Then you can continue the work. 5-speed height adjustment for easy trimming to desired lawn height. Approximately 8 gallons grass collection box for convenient grass collection. And boosted airflow design increases the grass collection rate by 50%. High trench blades with laser cutting for durability and smooth cutting. And a foldable handle for compact vertical storage, this saving space. And powered by an included U20 SUPER BATTERY SE that eliminates the need of a traditional charger. Because we can dock it to our USB power supply. For example, an AC adapter from your smartphone or a wall plug with USB connector. No problem for it. Of course, you can buy additionally a charger with it because the entire battery family of the Litheli tools can be used by using a portable battery. Oh yeah, that's a cool feature. Easy tool battery replacement with a simply push mechanism. And we can add another battery into the lawn owner because then we have a second battery on the glance at the hand easily to swap the batteries and continue the work. Litheli. With a flexible, modular energy storage and a one-for-all and easy-to-use battery power tools, Litheli brings to this era a revolutionary energy experience to power every corner of life, to replace the cords and other irritating experience, and to make energy use more efficient. Litheli is committed to creating a better future life with smart energy and smart tools made for everyone. Because here comes the Litheli U20 series. New design, new nice work with U Battery Plus. Sleek design plus functionality. That means you can use this battery plus, this U battery plus, you can use with your other Litheli products, which are operated with the battery, of course, but you can make more. You can reload your smartphone, for example, by using the Litheli U20 or U battery plus. That's a cool feature because the U battery plus is not only a power source for your lawn mower, it is a power bank too. We have here the cordless 20-volt lawn mower, 13-inch cutting wide, tailored for home gardens. Space-saving design, this saves up to 70% of space. 40 mAh steel blade, enhanced efficiency. One-for-all tool battery, charger or phone too, if we like. And we have 5-position cutting height, adjust as we like, and 30-liter grass bag, easy to clean up, off clippings. 30-liter grass bag, that's cool. Dual battery compartment for extra spare battery storage. Last cleanup frequency, large capacity, quick release, and time saving. Zero emissions because of energy supply by battery. Low noise because by an electric motor. Less vibrations, easy operations, low maintenance level, and lightweight because it's an electro-powered device. 13-inch high-strength 40 mm steel blades. This is optimized for efficient mowing performance. And if you have a small garden, this is the first thing you can use to make this job easily. If you have a bigger or larger garden, you can use the Litheli Lawn Mower in the bigger version, of course, if you like, or you can additionally buy the lithium string trimmer, and this all operates with one battery. Whoa, that is cool. That is the Litheli Cordless Lawn Mower 13-inch. And it's easy because everything what you need to start your job is this. Because we have here everything what we need. We have the power source, we have the lawn mower, we have the grass basket, and additional we will need an AC adapter, like for our smartphone, the AC adapter, or a wall-mounted USB source, or your computer, your laptop, or something else with USB port, and then you can recharge your battery. Easy peasy. Really cool, really cool. Then we have to attach everything a little bit. This is fast and easy without a tool. And after this, reload the battery, and then you can start with your job with this Litheli Cordless Lawn Mower. This is the U20 Handy plus Cordless Lawn Mower. U20 LMOO OU110. Model number is EGT010171. That's a nice device because the batteries are not so expensive, and the battery which comes to you is a 4 ampere battery SE, the U20 IPS Super Battery by Litheli Power. And you can operate with this battery all the Litheli tools which are battery operated on the market. And this brings you a big bunch of possibility of flexibility to use one battery pack for a big bunch of devices out there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.